Disclaimer. The information and or opinion provided by the speaker on this one-stop plumber shop platform is for general and educational purposes only. All information is provided in good faith. No warranty express or implied is made regarding adequacy, accuracy, completeness, legality, reliability, or usefulness of the information. Any reliance you place on such information is therefore strictly at your own risk. Also a reminder that only a qualified plumber is permitted to work on water system, hot, cold, sewerage, drainage, according to regulations in South Africa.
Yes, môre, welkom by One Stop Serve, Dinsdag, wenke. Okay, tips for a Tuesday. Ons is al klaar in die witkamertjie, so welkom hierso. Wat ons vandag doen is cartridges. Hoe om 'n cartridge te vervang. Julle seker weet alles hoe om dit te doen, maar die wat nie weet nie, kan nou kyk. Right, so we're going to chat a bit about cartridges, how to replace them. Okay, first of all, here are cartridges. There's 4 or 5 different kinds. As you can see, daar's verskillende groottes. Almal werk op dieselfde principle. Koue en warm water kom in, en die gemengde water kom hier uit. So, eerste probleem wat jy sal ondervind, na so 4 of 5 jaar, onthou, dit moet gebalanceerd wees. A mixer must be balanced. Dit beteken nie, jy kan hom op jou vinger balance nie. Nee, dit beteken die warm en die koue water moet dieselfde druk wees. So, hot and cold water, same pressure. Just a quick eye test. Look at the water, see how it flows. Look at the water, see how it flows. As jy nie die verskil kan sien nie, kans is goed, dis gebalanceerd. Just a tip, put it to the cold side, check how vigorously it flows. Put it to the warm side, how vigorously does it flow. If your eye can't see the difference, chances are good it's balanced. If the water is not balanced, go balance it, because the cartridges are not going to last. There's little springs and plates in here that actually operate well when it's balanced. When it's not balanced, they argue with each other, and then you'll be lucky if it lasts 6 months or a year. Okay, it might not even work properly if it's a very low pressure versus high pressure. So, dit gaan nie werk as dit nie gebalanceerd is nie. Okay, hoe groter die verskil in vloei en druk, hoe korter gaan hy hou. Na 6 maande, wat sien ons? Na 6 maande sien ons, hy begin huil. It starts to cry, typically out there or at the base. Even when it's off, it can start to cry. Normally not while it's operating. Maar hy begin huil. So how do we replace a cartridge? You're going to do it every 4 or 5 years. Cartridge is going to need replaced. That's in a balanced system. Gewoonlik mooi, so. Ons vat ons shifter, verwyder hierdie dingetjie, ou cartridge, gooi hom weg, vat nuwe cartridge. Weg, nuwe cartridge het 2 klein dingetjies daar. New cartridge has got 2 little dingetjies. Okay? Right there. That protrude. And there's 2 holes there. So we put it in, and you can feel it go up. So it goes in, up, I say. So you can see it goes in lekker. Now we tighten it with a hand. Right. Now, ons maak hom net bietjie vas. Nie soos jou Ford se spare wheel nie, wat jy vasmaak nie. Dis plastiek. Net so halwe draai, kwart draai. Okay, so, hy is vas, maar nie baie vas nie. Dan vat jy jou dopie, jy skroef hom aan. As hy vas was, kan jy 'n stuk rubber gebruik. om hom te verwyder. Jy wil dit nie krap nie. So you don't use your water pump pliers. No, you use your hand. Okay, en dan weer terug gaan dit op. En dan maak jy hom weer vas. Sit jou dopie op en daar gaat hy. Nou, terwyl jy nou die cartridge gedoen het, nou gaan ons die aerator diens. We're going to look at the aerator and just remove any sand that might be in it. So, see there's a washer there, make sure it stays there, maak seker jou nassie bly daar. Hierso sal sand wees, maak hom skoon. Jy hoef nie alles uit mekaar nie, die sand sal net daarbo, the sand will be there, and you remove the sand. And then you replace it again, always turn it back until you got like the thread right, don't cross thread. And this you can actually just leave, but with your hand tight. I wouldn't even bother, just like met die hand. Now, but, while you're about it, why not speak to your client about a water flow restrictor? Die kinders mors die water en ook volwassenes wat nie water respekteer nie. So this particular water restrictor at only R42.90 at One Stop Plumber Shop will restrict the water flow down to 2 liters a minute from about 10 or 12. So when your kid just pops it up and leaves it running for 2 minutes, you don't lose 24 liters, you lose 4 liters. Okay, and that's ample for him to wash his face, brush his teeth. If you put it on hot, is lekker om jou skeermesie net so bietjie skoon te maak terwyl jy skeer. You too can look like me. See, lekker. Okay, so that's how you do it. 2 liters, especially if the client's got a flow problem in his house. Hy buy 'n punter en daar's te min watervloei. Start to restrict. Right, so what do we do? 2 liters a minute. Remove old aerator, make sure that stays in there. Remove that guy, put this guy in, and put him back. Baie eenvoudig. Also train your children when they drink water not to lift it up in the middle and drink the water, because half of it's hot and cold. Hulle kan maagprobleme ontwikkel as hulle net so water drink uit die kraan in die middel. Okay, not good for the stomach, especially if the geyser's been off and it's less than 55 degrees Celsius for a long time. Starts bleeding germs, gives you diarrhea. Not cool for the kids, not cool for the adults. So, always make sure to train your kids to drink cold water and to let it run for a minute, and then to drink cold water, not hot water, not mixed water, cold water. Okay, very good to train the kids. Okay, so that's cool. So, and that's about it. Did we show them? We showed them all the other ones, eh? Okay, so cartridges are very cheap. I think they're 99 Rand. But you must also turn the water off before working on it. Jy moet die water afdraai by die kraan, the incoming water supply. Turn off the water, let it drain all the hot water out, you drain all the cold water out until there's nothing flows. If it doesn't stop flowing after you put the water off, then your anti-siphonage loop in the roof is not kicking in. Then I suggest you get in the roof and fix it. Okay, so it's supposed to stop after a minute or two, because you can't work on it, open it up, all water will come out. So you have to put it off. And then after you've serviced it, you open up the tap, you let all the air come out, cough, all the air, cough, and then it can you can use it then. Okay, that is a warning to put the water off. Okay, and that is the anti-siphonage loop. You'll have to get up there and fix it. Okay, and that's that. Cheers.
Ja.
Kyk.